그걸
Scotch.
언제 깨고 있어 이걸. 아이.
Alright, good morning. So it is day 6 of my vacation here in South Korea. I am in Cheongnam-ri right now. We're going to catch a train to go to a different place where we're going to get picked up. We're going to go camping with some of my relatives for the weekend. It is Saturday, so it'll be my first time riding the train, and like the first time in like 15 years being in Korea. So I'll share with you the experience of riding the train or the subway in Korea. Here we go. Alright, so now we just got off at Nogang Station. Okay, it's in between, like Seoul is very populated, very like high-tech, advanced, and the way opposite is suburbs, so this is like right in between. It's not popular, it's not like too big, but it's not too small. It's just like right in between where it's still modernized, but not to the degree of Seoul. One thing that I did notice, there's a lot of wind. One thing that I did notice that's dramatically different from America is the streets, and everything is much cleaner. Like the streets of Seoul, like streets of like the roads are always clean. The train station is always clean. The cleanliness is top notch here. Except for that, there's a toothbrush. Except for that. And we settled for Paris Baguette Cafe. There's a huge coffee culture in Korea, so we're gonna go in and drink some coffee and maybe take some bread or something. Settled for this bread here, pastry. It has bean paste inside. Alright, so I am beginning my travels to the camping ground. And in South Korea, right, it's a very mountainous area. So there's mountains everywhere, right? So one thing that you will notice is like there's tunnels going through the mountains. There's a lot of those. That's one thing that you will experience if you ever come to Korea. And every once in a while, you'll run into something like this. I think this is a yard sale. Let's listen to the music. That's a very like 80s, 90s music, Korean music. So we're just at a pit stop right now. We have like another 2.5 hours to go. So I'll give you some sightseeing along the way. Alright, so we finally arrived at the camping ground. I got a little bit car sick, which I usually don't, but it's because of the mountain. I think it's because of the mountainous road where it's a lot of curves. So I'll just give you a little tour of the camping ground that we're staying at. Here it is 6:30 at night. As you can see, I'm extremely burnt. Also, you can see my family, relatives, they're playing in the river. It's extremely cold. Extremely cold. Check out this view. Tent set up, clothes hanging to dry, protection from the rain. 비디오 찍는 거야. That's my tent. Possibly 70% chance it's gonna rain today, so put the rain mat on. Plenty of food. Looks like a movie set. Fire, extra sticks.
명동 그 명동 특제
그냥 만들었다고 그래.
그러게 그래도 다 그냥
그게 무너지잖아.
그랬으면 정말 더 맛있었을 텐데 너무 솔직해서 그래
그냥 잘 먹을게요.
네 이거 안 먹어?
역시
맛있게 먹을게
앉아. 현아 앉아.
네, 엄마 줄게
의자를 치우고 너 하나만
여기 의자
써야지.
So today kind of marks the end of day 6. So thanks for hanging out with me today, and I hope you have a great day.